So if you saw the service video, this is as new in the box. It isn't new in the box, it's clearly being used. Transcom GBX4000, so it uses the Cybernet 002F chassis. And apart from being low on power, it was 3.1 watt. It's now 3.6, 3.7. Deviation was very low at 1.5. Receiver's absolutely spot on. So here we go. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working with a Roger bleep.
Roger, I will plug my extension squeaker in.
Roger that, let me know when you're ready.
Tango 21 ready.
Roger that, off we go.
Roger. We use a standard replacement mic, and then at the end we'll use the factory original one. I think it's a bit scratchy on the PTT switch, but I'm sure that'll work its way in.
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger Dodger. So I've got a tone control on this one.
Roger that, so we're heading up the road. You're just passing one of the new passing places on the right, and what will be doggy daycare further up.
Roger on that, all done.
Roger, are you not able to turn that bleep off?
No, negative, it's fixed.
Roger. So it sounds like the bleep sounds like it's an Amstrad type board.
Yes, it's Cybernet 002F, and as such it can come either with a switchable Roger bleep, no Roger bleep, or a Roger bleep that's always on.
Roger, so it could be a Mustang 3000.
We've got one on the shelf, but it isn't.
Is the Mustang 1000 of the bleep?
Isn't a Mustang at all.
Oh right, well, that's my knowledge depleted.
Could be a Mustang 3000.
We've got one on the shelf, but it isn't.
Does a Mustang 1000 have the bleep?
Isn't a Mustang at all.
Oh right, well, that's my knowledge depleted. Right, we're now passing Lancaster service station, 147.9, 55.9.
Roger on that, naturally open.
We're now passing through Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Lancaster Crossroads. Got you at the top of the hill, I wonder if they've still got roadworks at the bottom.
We'll find out shortly. And the answer is yes.
How much fun?
Say at Toledo in front of us, and last time I saw one of those it belonged to ZX2.
My friend Nana had a, oh, what on earth was it, Toledo? Trying to
crossing Triumph.
Oh, roger that. Didn't even know they did a Toledo.
Oh, okay, I might be totally wrong. Anyway, drag petrol.
Roger.
It's actually sunny at the time, so we always went out in that because it's the jobs are young.
Roger that. Right, we've now missed the scratchy corner bit now because of your untimely outburst.
Roger that. Right, we've now missed the scratchy corner bit now because of your untimely outburst.
Well, we'll still get it in from there, and I'm on Transcom GBX4000.
Transcom GBX4000 from 1981, using Cybernet 002 chassis. And I'm on the standard replacement line. The radio is doing about 3.7 watts. And yeah, there you go.
Yeah, roger. All received, so I wasn't aware of the Transcom, so there you go.
There's two Transcom sets. The Transcom 4000 is this one. Transcom 2000 is this GT858.
Oh, right, fair enough. Right, we're now going over Wilsford Level Crossing. Over.
What have you got? You're going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn, not Grayley's.
Once you've got your other Kelby turn.
Passing the Grayley's turn. Over.
Once you've got your other Grayley's turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. Right, one is Transcom GBX4000 correction, going 1.4 amps and doing about 3.7 watts. On my standard replacement microphone, and we'll pop it onto low power when I find the little tiny switch at the back. It's going to be 240 milliwatts. So here we go, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we are on 240 milliwatts. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we are back on full power, over.
Yep, no problems. All readable on 4 watts. Bit noisy on low power, but you know, now we've got the leaves, that's the way it's going to be.
Absolutely, and it's then the low power on this is lower than usual. Okay, off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Right, we're now on the move again.
Roger, roger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Roadside level crossing. Over.
I've got you going over Roadside level.
Yep, petrol 147.9, diesel 157.9.
Roger, that's been an excellent test. Thanks so much. 10-10.
Roger that, 10-10.
21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Roadside level crossing. Over.
Roger on that, got you going over raw speed level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me, please, over?
Yep, petrol 147.9, diesel 157.9.
Roger, that's been an excellent test. Thanks very much. 10-10.
Roger that, 10-10.
Yeah, what a lovely performer. So, we'll go over to our base station and we'll see what it sounds like on that mic, and then I'll plug in the factory original one.
Tango 21, testing the Transcom GBX4000 with my standard replacement mic into our Midland 76900 base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now I'm going to swap microphones, put the factory original on. Tango 21, testing the traction. So here we are the next day. I realised after trying to edit the video that there was no audio on the original mic. So I dismounted the mic and cleaned the contacts. So here we try again with the factory original Transcom mic. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm going to unkey it. Going to rekey it. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Going to unkey it again. And there we go. So that's unfortunately tractions. But they now elude me.